Ayan, so gala muna kami. Ayan, be careful daddy. It's wet. Slidey. Oh, I don't want to touch this. Uy, nakakatakot siya. Buti na lang itong shoes ko, dinala ko talaga siya. May spike siya, so pwede siya sa ano. Grabe, si daddy, oh. You are not afraid walking in the ice, daddy. Walking in the snow. Oh my God, someone like... Ayan. Ito na guys, experience. Hey, slowly ha. Wait for me. Daddy. Slowly. Ayan, may pang ice pala si daddy na. Pang... Yes, here we go now. Okay. Go around. Go around. Hey. Wow, ang ganda ng snow. Ang ganda ng snow. Oh, there's... What, daddy? Here we go.
We'll go around the track here for
Yeah, but it's melting now.
Yeah.
Come on. It's ice, daddy. It's melting. Oh, dude.
Yeah, see.
Come on.
I can't find.
Be careful. Hindi na siya kagandahan. Oh, damn. Come on, we'll go there. Come on here. Where are you? Because it's
Better.
ice na doon. We should jump in the new ice, snow, because it's melting na there. Ayan yung car namin. Hey, it's wet, daddy. Ayan. Diba?
Just run. I'm gonna wipe the ice off the car.
Ha? Where you go?
I'm gonna wipe the ice off the car.
Let's check. Oh, ice na. Damn. Ice na, daddy. Ice na siya, guys. Ayan ang car namin. Okay, go on. Okay, wipe the car. Ayan. Habang video to para experience, di ba? Para experience, guys. Oh, dang. So, ano lang to? Documentation. Basta, at least I have the experience having a snow. Wait. Oh. See? Sabi ni daddy, gawa daw kami ng ano. See how thick the snow.
It's about
Grabe.
10 inches, 7 inches.
Yeah. Damn. Hey, it's blowing. Dang, it's blowing. So we're the only one person here in our community that is so cold. That is ayan, ito yung lake. Ang ganda. Gusto ko sana mag ano later ha, I'm gonna make a what you call this one? Sabi snow angel. And guys, tapos pinapangarap ko pa naman Canada. Tapos super yellow doon, snow. Dito nga di ko na makaya, di ba? So napakagandang experience. So ano talaga, nagkataon lang talaga na ano. Wow. Oh, wait.
Go make snow angel. This is the place.
Okay. 1 minute. What I will do? Just hold this. What I will do? I will just lay down and make like this.
Yeah, just wave your arms like you're waving your arms.
Same as Zion.
Yeah, is this on?
Yeah, it's in already.
Okay.
Don't wait. Can I see it?
I can't see it. I can't see the screen.
Okay. Oh, it's working.
Okay.
Just that.
Snow angel or snow demon?
I said close this one. Here, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Wow, that's it. How is it?
Good.
Don't cut it. Oh, diba? Snow angel. Fuck.
There's your
Thank
wings.
you. Huh?
There's your wings.
Yeah, my wings are good. Ang ganda.
Oh, look, there's ice on the pond.
Yeah, it's ice already na.
Partially frozen.
Nag-yellow na yung pan. I think someone is watching us.
I'm sure.
Yeah, sure. Okay, we're gonna walk over there and we're not going to
Not gonna
take the road.
Not gonna take the long route.
Yeah, we're gonna go there in the footpath.
Where?
In a footpath.
Oh, okay.
Not this. Don't jump there because it's ice na.
You like this? Okay, boy.
Naglalaro for playing. Ayan, thank you so much. So, this is it guys. Ayan, nag-stop na yung yung snow. Wala ng cloud sa taas and then it's melting na, turn to ice. Diba? Ang ganda maglakad sa dito kasi hindi pa siya nami-melt. Yung nasa baba lang yung nami-melt. Yan, look. If
It's
you
been
look
a long
at
time since we had this much snow.
yeah, it's just
God sent it just for you.
yes, thank you. So this is the second year when you move here, right?
Yeah.
So,
It wasn't nearly this big.
yeah, hello. So, pangalawang beses nang nag-snow dito, nang nandito si Daddy, lumipat siya. Dahil usually, Daddy is a southern people. Ayun sa Pickens, South Carolina. So where we go now?
Where do you want to go? Oh, what, this way?
Yeah. We're going back now.
So what happened? Oh, you go this way or this way?
Going there now.
Okay, take the short route.
Yeah. Turn around.
What happened to your friend in Jacksonville?
They're okay.
I've heard you talk about them. Long time.
Yeah. Be careful. Ayan, ice na siya. Dapat dito your shoes is so have like spike, di ba?
Yeah.
Hey! Everyone is there. Yan sila, oh. Naglalaro din. Oh, see! The lake! Ah, okay. Still the lake. Her.
You see?
I think.
We go up.
Come on. Slowly, huh?
I'm good.
Slowly.
Oh, part of it's frozen.
This is hard, huh? This is up. This is
Yeah,
hub.
there's a side zero.
Come, I told you. Going there. Wow. Sorry, I'm cold, Daddy. They're making snowball.
Make it a snowman.
Snowman. Come on, let's go now. They make a snowman. You wanna build a snowman? Ayan, may nagbibuild na snowman doon yung tao. Be careful, ha? So thick. Ang kapal niya, guys. Ang kapal. Ayan, nag-gosa ng snowman. I think magjowa sila. Come on, Daddy. Be careful, ha? It's your challenge. Ayan. Yun na kami sa may ano, footpath.
Jeff needs to be here if he doesn't make it snow.
Huh?
Jeff needs to come please make it snow.
Yeah, maybe he's making there. I can't stand like 30 minutes here. Oh. Dang, see?
It's deep. Right?
Yeah. See? Are you okay? But be careful, huh? Hey, where are you going? Because there is may ice na. Ayan, napaka ano. Oh, then. Come on. You can do it. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Enjoying the weather?
Oh
Yeah.
He's never seen snow before, so it's a new experience for him.
Enjoy.
Thank you, sir. Ang kapitbahay namin. Yan, ang ganda. Ang ganda nila. Pero ang lamig, shoota. So gagawa daw kami ng ice cream. Huh?
It's deep.
It's deep. Come here. Follow this truck.
Yeah. It's like cold as last time.
Yeah, it's not cold today.
Did a good workout.
Yeah.
Like going to the gym.
Now we're here na, guys. We just make a round. Ayan, oh, ang ganda. Ang kapal ng car. Kapal ng sa car. Sorry. Ayan. Slowly. Ayan, nag-yellow talaga siya. Nagtutunaw na dito. Ayan. Where we can get the snow ice cream? Here?
You'll have to get off our porch.
Okay, we're gonna try. Ayan, guys, babay na muna. Can you remove this one? No, this one.
Oh,
My gloves, my gloves. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much.